it's Melody coming to you from Blessed with a quick tip on how to make a face mask with 2 rubber bands and your Rosemunde tank. I was inspired by my mother-in-law to do this since she showed me how to make it out of a scarf, but since I love the fabric of Rosemunde tanks, I thought that I would like that on my face just as much, if not more. So what we're gonna do is we're going to lay our Rosemunde tank flat and we're going to tuck in the shoulder straps. Then we are going to fold it into thirds on either side like this, giving you plenty of protection on your face. You're gonna take a rubber band and put it a third of the way down on one side and a third of the way down on the other. You are then going to fold the ruffle end into the shoulder strap side. Just fold it down as flat as you can. And then give a tug on the bottom layer. That's all there is to it. So then you just use the rubber bands to secure it behind your ears. What I love about this is it's machine washable. So when you're back from running your errand, staying as safe as you humanly can, just throw it in the wash machine, take it out, and next time choose. Are you gonna put it on your body or your face? We love Rosemunde, we love you, stay safe and be well.